Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to show you my journaling from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday, which is today. So get out your journals and let's just have some fun and relax and play with stickers, because nothing's better than that. So I had started filming this and then realized that I wasn't recording it. So I stuck down that giant nap time sticker. Because so I had the greatest laid plans. I had set this goal like, Emily, this will be perfect way for you to keep up. Let's get up in the morning at like 6:45 and spend 45 minutes journaling from the day before. You'll keep caught up, you can film it, you can post what you want to post. I thought it was a brilliant idea. Apparently just not brilliant enough to actually get up and do it. So didn't do that Tuesday. But I still do think it's a great idea. I just hope that I can convince myself to do it. Oh, getting up is my Achilles heel. And that coronavirus stuff on the bottom of Wednesday is because I got an email that there was a case in the kids' school. I guess we were not directly affected, but this was the first announced case this year in their school, which surprises me that it hasn't happened, this far. But all shitty nonetheless, because that stinks. So I also have let's see. Can't remember the word. A cartoon from the newspaper that I just thought was funny. And then my horoscope on Tuesday was really appropriate because it was something about irritations, and I had to work on Tuesday, so that was nice. It says, to remain calm in the face of frustration is a valuable skill, and one you can hone today if you're up to the challenge. Small disturbances and irritations are opportunities to practice patience, humor, reframing, and the like. I need that so much. So I thought that was perfect to cut out. And I put some birthday stickers in the corner because one of my daughter's friends had a little Zoom birthday treat party thing. They just basically all got on Zoom for an hour after dinner and ate cake and, I don't know, talked about things that 8-year-old girls talk about. Who even knows? I was using my nursing, Me and My Big Ideas nursing sticker book because, oh man, I love those stickers. Those little stick people are so stinking cute. And I knew I should have gotten the stick people book, other Me and My Big Ideas sticker book, because I think they're so adorable, but I didn't. I was like, Emily, you don't need any more stickers. But now I wish I would have picked it up because the stick people, I love them so much. I can't remember the name of them. Do they call them stick people? Oh, what are they called? They're like little doodle people, but there's an actual sticker book full of them. And I blew it. I blew it by not buying it. And then I just put on more stickers because is there a reason? Do you need a reason? I don't think so. And then hearts, because also don't need a reason. Just do it. So that was basically Tuesday. Started out by disappointing myself and not getting up. But, it got better from there. Work was fine. And I made food on Wednesday, which doesn't sound like that big of a deal, but I hate to cook, so when I do, I like to get all of the congratulations possible. And I made this crock pot dish that was called cracked chicken. Probably not politically correct, but it's just creamy chicken goodness. Basically nothing about it that you could hate, in my opinion. Like bacon, ranch seasoning, sour cream, or not sour cream, cream cheese, chicken, creamy deliciousness. Of course, everyone hated it. So I just loved that collage from Stinky. I always know it's going to be positive when the kids walk home from school. They walk in the door and they're like,
what's that smell? What's that smell? Are you cooking something?
And then I loved the little hand like holding up a bean or something. When I try and give them something, they like hold it up and inspect it as if I'm like poisoning them with a cockroach turd or something. I'm like, God, no, you guys, there's literally nothing in this that you could hate. But they hate it nonetheless. So that was a fail. And also a little crock pot sticker, which was cute. And then, let's see, Thursday, I went to have coffee with my parents in the morning. And those stickers that you already see on there are because I had come home and I knew I needed to sort stuff out that you guys have sent me over probably since like February. It's been like in a pile and I've been meaning to go through it, but then I don't want to take it all out of the envelopes because then I won't know who sent it to me. So then I end up in this quagmire of what do I do with all this stuff? And then I'm like, Emily, you just have to sort through it, save your notes so you can put them in the book and, use it because that's why they sent it to you. So, so I sorted through all the stickers and stuff and put it like in my stuff so that I could start using all of these amazing things. And that was basically it. Is like my mind was just blown because every time I read a note or open something from one of you guys, it's like so sincere and so generous and just lovely that you even want to like reach out to me and tell me about yourself and why, just anything. And then even to like give me something on top of that is crazy. But what's even crazier is everything that you guys give me is like amazing stuff I would have bought myself. And I look at it and I literally shriek. I just shriek because I'm like, oh my God, these people know me. They're in my brain. And it's amazing. It feels incredible to feel understood. And then I put that sticker that says hanging out with friends because when I don't know, when I talk to you guys in the comments or I open things from you, read your letters, it does feel like hanging out with friends because you guys do feel like my friends, even though we're like internet friends. I don't know. You're still my real friends. But anyways, so that was sappy and probably weird, but I just like you guys a lot. And I ended up going to look at some jeans at Old Navy because I needed some pants. I know, stupid, right? Who needs pants? But I did. And they didn't have what I wanted, but they did have a bunch of cute stuff on clearance that was from summer. So I don't know. I bought some cute summer dresses for next year that were like $7 a piece. So that was cool. I almost never buy myself clothes. Like it's not my thing. So that was neat. It was fun. And then on Friday, this morning, we awoke to that magical howl. It's Fatty. He's waking us up in his typical fashion. And I thought that my husband was going to murder him. He is frustrated on a daily basis with these wake-up calls, but usually with the first yowl, I wake up, it wakes me up, and I jump out of bed, and I go downstairs, and I put more kernels in his already full bowl, and we've talked about this before. But it just keeps happening. And my husband this morning, I thought was gonna be homicidal. Like it was not the morning to push his buttons, I guess. And so I was like, well, I need to figure this out. So I did a little research and I Googled the master of wisdom. I Googled, why do cats meow for food when their bowl is full? And I learned about something called whisker stress. Apparently, cats, if their whiskers touch things, it's painful, like nerve pain for humans. And so maybe his bowl is causing him pain. And when he gets to a certain point in the bowl, even though there's still food in it, it's uncomfortable for him to eat that food because it bends his whiskers. So I thought, well, I'll get him a shallow dish and we'll see how that goes. So that's what I went and did, and we will see if this eases his whisker stress, because it is giving us all stress. So I loved turning that Goro Goro little thing. It held sticker flakes into a little tip in, and I wrote, "Get up, I'm suffering," because I feel like that's what fatties yowls now mean, which makes me feel quite terrible because I was always just very annoyed with him. Like, leave me alone, get out of here, you fat lard. But now, if he was actually in pain, saying, "Mommy, I'm hungry, but I can't eat out of my full bowl," I feel like a real dick. So I guess I'll be happy if that's the case because he'll stop waking us up, but I'll be sad if that's the case because I'm the meanest cat mother ever. So who knows? But that's kind of a very crude drawing of the cat bowl that I bought, which I think was basically just a soap dish. But, and then I wrote, put down the big idea sticker because, I don't know, it's a big idea around here and I hope it fixes something. And then that little tip in was sent to me and I thought it was amazing. So maybe I'll put something underneath under it if something happens tonight, amazing and wonderful. Or maybe not. But I hope you guys are not suffering from whisker stress or regular stress or COVID stress or wildfire stress or presidential election stress or I don't even, just 2020 stress because there's so much of it. I hope that you are okay and that you're doing something that you enjoy, at least for a little while today or sometime this weekend. Take care, you guys, and I will see you again soon. Bye.